Hey guys, Derek here at EZLYNK. Today we've got a 24 Cummins here in the shop. We're going to show you some of the functions that we have available within the app. To get started, we've got our Auto Agent 3 plugged in, and then we're going to connect to the app, and we're going to show you what that looks like. So to get started, we're going to go into our Wi-Fi settings. We've got our serial number here. We're going to connect. After we're connected, we're going to jump over to the Auto Agent app, and we're going to go under Vehicle. So this will be your hub for this vehicle. If you go to My Other Vehicles, you can see all the other vehicles that you've connected to in the past. Since we're on the Cummins today, we're going to go to that. Now, under Functions, this is going to show you all the functions that EZLYNK has applicable to this vehicle. You can go on our website and see which ones are applicable to your application. But for starters, we're going to show you maybe some of the common ones that people would use. For instance, the set tire size. So this is a great option for when you've outfitted the vehicle with a bigger tire and want to make sure the speedometer is correct. So we're going to go ahead and hit Run. And this is going to show you the current size that is programmed to. And you can go under the desired size. And we went with a 35. We're going to hit 35 and hit Submit. Alright, so the tire size has now been changed. We're going to cycle the ignition for a minimum of 30 seconds. And if there's any DTCs, we'll go back in the app and clear those. And then if the ABS is displayed in the vehicle mismatch, we're going to do the ABS initialization through the app. So this is one way that the Auto Agent 3 is helpful for you guys when customizing your vehicle. Doing the tire size adjustment is a huge factor in keeping the speed correctly. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. Stay tuned for more.